Excuse me, baby. That you can use that. That one. In front of you, Sefina. Should I give you the tutorial? Try that.
General information. Knowing how, or you could say most is a large white owl. minutes on hunting. Their feet are zigzag, still helping them to objects easily. Most parrots eat like seeds, fruits, nuts, and flowers. Some species also eat insect habitat. Parrots live in rainforests, wetlands, and savanna. Parrots are very social animals. They often live in flocks and communicate with loud calls. They can form strong bonds with their mates and even humans. Parrots live Parrots live a long time compared to many birds. Small parrots 10 to 20 years. Larger parrots 50 to 80 humans. Many parrots are endangered due to habitat loss or weather capture. Fun facts. Parrots can use their beak like search food when hiding. Some parrots can bend to they are one of the few animals that can imitate human love language. A group of parrots is called dogs.
Before I can start, I may have to ask some questions as you all might know the topic. Have you ever known that in mythology crows are basically mischaracterized as cunning tricksters? Well, lucky for you, I am going to present you facts about crows.
Okay.
General crows are highly intelligent, adaptive, and social birds belonging to the genus Crows, and gets mischaracterized and being called as misfortune of crows or murder of crows, as if I'm correct, I think.
It is.
Habitat and what is it called?
Distribution.
Distribution, yes. Crows thrive in varied environments, from rural forests to bustling cities. Interesting, very interesting. Physical characteristics. Males and females look alike, but males are slightly larger. Younger crows look similar to adults, but with brown thick plumage, blue eyes, and pink mouths that darken as they mature. Or immature, we call it invasa, nevasa. Unique maintenance. This is my favorite of all. One of my favorite facts from these crows. They perform deep bowing motions to each other, often accompanied by a soft, unique buzzing or a rattle. They strengthen bonds through mutual grooming, known as allograining. Wow. Dramatic flying maneuvers sometimes accompany to the courtship. Diet. Crows are not picky. They feed insects, nuts, fruits, seeds, and more. Or you can, for simple, omnivores. They are not picky, but they eat everything. Reproductive, not taking care of them. Which of course, like, we're humans, and crows and humans look alike, but we're different. We are humans, not birds. Predators and threats, as you may know from the previous slide, derive from predators like threats or owls, or threats like owls or hawks. Crows will gather and harass predators or threats. Very interesting, eh? Just like vegan people.
What?
Of course, just like vegan people, as y'all know.
Okay.
Cultural importance. This is basically one of my favorites. In Celtic mythology,
Celtic.
crows are linked to the goddess Morgan, including war or trade. And many indigenous.
Indigenous.
Yeah, I speak like that. In America, Haida and Japanese folklore, not folklore. What happened to my speaking? Often feature crows as cunning tricksters, or in Bahasa, licik. Of course, we can also be cunning or whatever we are.
Cunning.
We are humans.
Yes.
Fun facts. People believe that crows will give misfortune, death, or to others and will be mischaracterized. Mischaracterized as cunning birds, tricksters, or cunning birds, whatever. Any questions?
Questions, guys?
Question.
Indigenous.
Which one? Which one?